Hello everyone, welcome to Baking with Sharon. This is an impromptu session on tonight. Tonight I am going to be baking some chicken breasts braised with beer and gonna add some other veggies, and just so glad to have you all joining me on tonight. So I'm going to take a moment and I'm going to pull up my phone here, my Facebook Live, so I can see who all is joining. So hope you all have had a good day on today. This is another wonderful Friday. It is the weekend, and we all love when the weekend comes in. So thank you all so much for joining on this evening. And let me get this set one more time, see who's there. Okay, let me turn this down. Hi, T.Y. Washington. Hi, Misty. Hi, Bridget. Hi, Sandra. Again, thank you all for joining me this evening. Please share with your family and friends that we are on tonight. And again, we're going to be baking some chicken breast braised with beer and some other veggies we're going to add to it. And I just wanted to sort of show off my Christmas gift as well. If you see that wonderful convection oven over there, that was a Christmas gift from my mother. I had an opportunity to use it last night. I was just so excited. I baked some biscuits, and those biscuits came out so wonderful. So tonight I'm going to be baking my chicken in. So I'm going to give you a closer look up to the oven. So I'm going to come around and grab the camera, and I'm going to take you over to the oven. And I have just fallen in love with this oven. Hold on one second. All right, so we're going to walk over here, and I'm going to show you. Let's see here. That way you can see it better. Hi, Kathy. This is my wonderful oven, again, that I got from my mom for Christmas. And it has 2 racks in. I'm actually only going to use 1 rack for baking the chicken, but it has the door that comes open, of course. And I have heard about these ovens, and the biscuits actually cooked a little bit faster using the convection oven. So while we're here, I'm going to go ahead and preheat the oven. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. We're going to bake the chicken on 350. So if you see, we're going to set it on 350 here, and it's on bake. You'll see that it's baking there. And I'm going to set the oven, I'm going to set it for 40 minutes just to give me an opportunity to get everything prepared. So this is my baby, my new baby. I'm loving it, and I sort of feel like I would not go back to a regular oven, but I know I can't do that because there's a lot of things that I want to do. So we're going to go ahead and go back. I'm going to take you back over here. Then we're going to get set up to get this chicken going. All right. And there's one important ingredient that I forgot to grab, and it's actually the beer that we're going to use for braising the chicken. So I'm going to step out just for another second. Hold on. All right, so we're going to use this Bud Light beer, orange. And I actually won this beer. I actually won 2 6-packs of beer along with the Gator basket a few months ago at work. And I don't drink beer. I don't like the taste of beer. I mean, just to smell it, it just grosses me out. But I did bake some chicken with it before a few weeks ago, and it was just absolutely awesome. So we're going to go ahead and get started with seasoning the chicken. So I have 3 chicken breasts here. And let me go ahead, I need to grab some butter as well. All right, so I'm going to score the chicken because I want to put butter in between the chicken to sort of give it that butter flavor and to sort of keep it moist. And also the beer is actually going to marinate the chicken, and it's going to make the chicken really tender as well. So I'm going to go ahead and score. Hi, Leona. Hi, Guyton. I think I said that correct. Sorry if I mispronounced it. Hi, Tiffany. So I'm just going to go ahead and score the chicken. And I'm going to put the butter in between the different slices here. And this is a very simple meal that you can prepare for your family. It's very easy and it's really tasty as well. All right, so I went ahead and scored the chicken. Now let me wash my hands. Whenever you are working with chicken, poultry, any kind of meat, you always want to make sure you wash your hands afterwards. Whoa, getting a little wet here. All right, I'm going to grab another knife so I can cut up my butter. The knives are right behind me. All right, so I'm going to slice butter, and I'm going to put the butter between the slices of the chicken where I cut into. So I'm just going to cut up the pieces first, and then I'll place them in the slices here. And as you may have noticed, I did put out a notification that I am also going to be using YouTube to produce the shows. And I'm not going to go away from Facebook Live. My goal is to do Facebook Live and YouTube live simultaneously. So we're working on that. But let your family and friends know who are not on Facebook that they can watch the show, although they're not on Facebook or don't have an account with Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and place the butter in the where I cut the chicken. It's going to be so yummy, so moist. All right, so I'm going to put that one there.